So I approached a hill here, and regen was actually, it's a sheet of ice, it's 24 degrees. Regen was yanking us towards the ditch. So I stopped, I put it in park, I put track mode on, I shut regen off, and now I'm able to just coast, because regen doesn't, you just shut it off, or under a certain miles per hour, it doesn't even work. So, but it's a lot safer in this sheet of ice. I mean, it's a complete sheet of ice downhill. So yeah, track mode in the snow is actually helping. So it's pretty interesting. I thought I might share that.